Section 822, Day 2, is titled Areas of Polygons, and we're going to answer the question, what is the area? So for question number 36, it says, Beth needs to fertilize her flower bed, which is the shape of a regular pentagon. A bag of fertilizer states that it can fertilize up to 150 square feet. But Beth is not sure how many bags of fertilizer she should buy. Beth does know that each side of her flower bed is 15 feet long. Copy the diagram of the regular pentagon below onto your paper, calculate the area of the flower bed, and tell Beth how many bags of fertilizer to buy. Explain how you found your answer. Okay, the first thing we want to do is take that pentagon and dissect the pentagon into 5 congruent triangles. So you start at the center of the pentagon and you divide it into 5 equal or congruent triangles. To find the angle measure from the middle, you start with the full 360 degrees, divide it by 5, and you get 72. Then you're going to cut that angle in half to get the angle measure inside here. So half of 72 is 36. And half of this side over here, half of side 15 is 7.5. So we're going to use a trig function to find the height of the apothem. Okay? From this angle of 36, we know the opposite and we want the adjacent. So we're going to use the tangent. So the tangent of 36 is equal to 7.5, the opposite, over the apothem. So we're going to use the cross product property. So we're going to multiply a times the tangent of 36, set it equal to 1 times 7.5, which is just 1.75. Divide both sides by the tangent of 36, and here's what it looks like on your calculator. So we're going to take 7.5, divide it by the tangent of 36, and we get this big long decimal. So I'm going to round it or approximate it to 10.32. The other calculation we need is the perimeter for this pentagon. Each side is 15, so 5 times 15 is 75. These two numbers are the numbers that we plug into our area formula for a polygon, which is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. The apothem is approximately 10.32. The perimeter is 75. So we multiply that out on the calculator and we get 387 feet squared. That's the approximate area of her garden. Each bag of, I think it's fertilizer, is 150. So if we divide by 150, we're going to get 2.58. We can't buy partial bags at the nursery, so you need to round up in this case. So you need 3 full bags of fertilizer in order to fertilize her garden. Question number 37, we are going to skip.